want right now?
What?
Burgers.
Yeah. I know someone who makes a mean burger.
Who?
Oh, it's Papa Santonio.
No! No!
Jesus, what's the matter?
Are you crazy? We could just get money
I
back.
don't see what the big deal is.
What's the big deal? Don't make me do this.
I don't see what the big deal is. Dude, what the heck?
That was a close one.
Hey!
Great. He knows where we live now.
And now it's time for cooking with Papa Santonio, everyone's favorite Italian daddy.
Hello, paisanos! It is Papa Santonio back again, and this time I'm going to be showing you how to make a teriyaki burger. So first off, let me start by listing the ingredients. Ground beef, you will need pepper and salt, a little bit of teriyaki marinade and sauce, pineapples, and your burger buns, and basically anything else that you are going to need that you would like on a burger. And a tray. The two optional ingredients are A1 original, I mean steak sauce, not a sponsor. Another optional ingredient, which is a little more dangerous, is this burger syrup. It is very good and it's very dangerous. Its flavor alone can take down 5 or 6 first world countries, so we need to be very careful with it. Now that you have all of your ingredients, please do not forget to wash your hands. Oh, no, my mustache! No!
In the arms of the angel.
It's not the same. You cannot forget the crucial step that it is to pray to the Grand Grill Daddy. Please, Bobby Flay, bless us with our cooking. Please make us make the best teriyaki burgers there are on this planet. Thank you. Amen. Okay, so first thing you're going to want to do is make sure your meat is mixed up nicely. So you can net it around like this, so it's a little more ground up and it's not so much a meat poop shape. Okay, now here's a piece of advice. Do not season the meat yet. You can only season once it's in patty form. You don't add the salt or pepper yet. Okay? You got that, bambinos? Now what I do recommend is that you add a little bit of teriyaki marinade and sauce. Just add a little drizzle. It'll impact it and it'll put a lot of flavor into the meat. Just net it a little gently, like so. A little drizzle. You need to net the meat a little more, and there you go, ready. Now that your meat is fairly netted or kneaded, you now want to make the patty. So first you get a handful like this, then you roll it up just a bit, flatten it out like so. Since it's a hot day, it's a little harder to keep it solid, but it's fine because when you set it on the grill, it'll stay in the shape you make it. Oof. Now that you have your polpetas, or as you would say in English, hamburgues, is that how you say it?
Yeah.
Now that you have your hamburguetes, you want to get your grill. Make sure that is on. You can use charcoal grill or propane grill. I'm using propane grill because
propane accessories.
Okay, now you're going to want to get your burger syrup. Optional, you can add in the A1 sauce. I would just add a little bit, just a drizzle. Yes! And now you get your little brush and you mix it all in there. Oh. Now that we have our patties, now we can season them. So first we get a little bit of salt, and then we can add our pepper. Gustavo! Now that our grill is piping hot, now we can get our patties and place them face down. Oh! Can you hear that? You might want to put a little more space between your patties, but it's okay. I'm a professional chef. And now that is placed on there, now we season the other sides with a bit of salt, and again, with some pepper. Oh. Now after we put the pineapples on there, let them grill a little bit. Now we can get our burger syrup and just spread it all over those burgers. Oh, Bobby Flay would love this. If you want, you can put a little bit of glaze on the pineapples as well. I would put just a little bit. That actually smells really good, dude. Okay, now that we turn off the grill, just let it calm down a little bit. Soak in the flavor of the syrup. We put our buns down to warm them up a little bit, make them perfect for our burgers. Our hamburgies. Oh, look at that. Look at these little bambinos. And now, Look at that. That is precious. Oh. Can you get a money shot? Like just zoom in on that. Oh boy. That is pretty good. Now let's give it to our beloved customers so they can tell us what they think, eh? Bambinos! It's done.
Why is he still here?
Dude, he's making us lunch.
Making us lunch. How do I know it's not like poisonous or something?
Come on, just try it.
Okay.
Do you like?
It has the texture of a pickle. And I love pickles.
Yes! What a success! Woo! What another successful recipe from Santonio! Thank you guys for joining in.
Can you like get out of my house now, please?